Okay, so we're continuing here. So you can see I'm forcing this to take place, right? And I'm going to do something wild. I'm not even going to delete this key. You're going, what is this guy doing? So watch. Our goal is to come up here and hang, right? That's the case, no problem. Okay, so there it is. So what I'll do right now, since this is my starting point, watch, I'm working backward just for fun. And we're just working, guys. There's no perfect method. I have my method here. So if I go copy, and I'm going to go the beginning point to be the same, paste, paste. See how cool this is? I'm doing this all backwards, people. Starting from the end to the beginning. Okay, so boom. Look how nice that is. I don't even have a ground right now. And let's just see what we've got. Okay, and as I was saying, I want to turn this red. Why is that not happening, Mr. Lambert? Here it is. Okay, so let's try this again. Ball, perhaps 03. And then I may have named it. And let's go to red again. Or should we do blue? Red. Okay, cool. Stop. Okay. Oh boy, why is this not showing it? Okay, what's going on here? Render, lighting, use, default. I don't know why things aren't working. Très bizarre. So let's go. Boom, boom. Look how nice that is. Coming in, going back up. Not bad. Okay, so if I select the ball right now, and I'm just going to hold and look at translate Y. Okay, let's make this bigger for now and see what's going on. So look how cool this is here now. Now, right now, it's not broken here, see? So what we want to do, this is frame 10, okay? What I want to do is break the tangent here, okay? And then break this one as well. Boom. So what I'll do is I'll just bring this up like that. So from this point, so here, guys, look at what I'm doing. Remember, like, see here, let's see what's happening here. I want to make this a sharp point. So I'll come in here and make a sharp point as well. So it's going to pounce out here. Okay, all right. It was like more noise outside. I had to say something. Good, guys. Okay, so we want to keep this sharp, right? So you see, like, remember what I said, diagonal super fast, flat is no change, and this is gradual up, gradual up. So you can see here, okay? So what I'm going to do is, what I want to do is keep these nice and tight. This one, this way, so stay on the green. Okay, so you guys are doing something like this, and let's see what happens. So from here to there is gradual. I can see that here. Look at this. Let's see this come down. Come down, boom, and up it goes, like that. Okay, so we basically have the beginning, it's an extreme, and the end is an extreme. The middle is extreme. So what I did is I held it for 2 frames. So basically I copied and pasted. So you can see down here, 0 change, flat line, no change. Okay, from here, the ball, it's just a gradual change to this. And then from here up, 13 to 15, I can make this even more, right? Let's look at our picture. Let's see what we got. So 15, 16, it becomes this. So 13, 14, it's solid. So we're pretty close. Okay, so we don't have to make everything perfect, guys. You got to play around here and test it out. You may show me something that I don't know about, which is awesome. Okay, so we know now. Watch this hang time. I love this. This is so sweet. Like, look at the things you can do here. Watch. Okay, so look, I'm going to slide over here, and I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see this, okay? So look. Just pay attention to the way, like how I'm playing here, okay? Usually, one of my latest instructor, Chris, said to me, put your timeline in the middle here. It seems like I have some keys here, so I want to get rid of this. Delete. Come on, bye-bye. There we go. Okay, so here, oh, I know why I did that. Okay. Okay, so I basically said, and Brian said over here, frame 17, 18, it becomes solid, right? So that's why I had a key here. So by 17, 18, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and change this all to 1. So you guys know 1 tab 1 is solid, right? So look, that's why I had a key here. And the Y doesn't have a key, so I'll just go right click, key selected. So that's cool too. Okay, so there it is. And let's just keep it on Y without confusing people. I apologize. So between 15 to 18, something like that, it goes to, you know, it becomes a solid circle, right? Nice. So let's just do a gradual here. And I'm going to break the tangent here as well. Boy, animation is so technical, isn't it? I apologize, guys. I'm sorry. So look, and come over here, make that gradual, beautiful, slow ease into to the top. Okay, here's an ease out, come down, hold up, sharp out, and then slow. Yeah, pretty fast actually here too, and then I'm just going to slow it down. So having done all this, let's take a closer look. Go to top, okay, and I'm just going to zoom in more. So look guys, the bottom is here, the floor is there. Okay, so there we go. Boom, boom. That's nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm only going to save it up to frame 23, and you'll see what I mean. 23. And you're going, why are you doing that? Because remember, 1 and 2 is the same. So 23, 24, 25. 1, 2 is all the same. So if I go, let's save this actually before I lose this. 04. Okay. And then I actually did squash and stretch there. I should have named it that way. So I'll just go 04, 04, squash, and stretch. Okay. Something like that. Play blast. So now I'm going to hit Command L, loop. I don't like how it's hitting a wall up there. I can make that more gradual, but not bad right now, not bad. A lot better than before, but we're getting a squash and stretch. Pretty sweet, right? Okay, okay. So, okay, so that's looking pretty good. So I can actually make that more, I can even extend that. No, that's good. Let's see here. It's looking good here. Let's see here. Look at that. Okay, so something like that, nice gradual curve. Let's see how this goes, okay? So I'm going to save this another version, so I remember. This is going to be 05. Let's go to the squash here. We're just dealing with the squash. Okay. Okay, let's see the difference here. Play. Okay, the only way I'm going to find out, if I right click, go to Play Blast, and I'm going to call this number 5. Stay alive. Apply. Command L for loop. Okay, it's getting a little better. I like it. Okay, so this is what you guys are going to do. And if I do this one more time, how many minutes? This is going to be like a 30-minute tutorial here. So far I've got 7, and before that was 12. Okay, so what I'm going to do is hide set number 2. Oh, it is hidden. Okay, let's just hide this one. Just click and say bye. Let's bring this one back. Oh yeah. Here's my friend, people. This is what we left off the last time with, remember? That sharp impact and gradually slowing down. Slowing out, speeding up, boom, hitting here. Without a squash and stretch. So again, this is part, it's you know, we're just going to expand on what I just showed you over and over until everybody gets this, okay? So we know here, right before it hits, we're gonna go like this. Look, right click, copy. Oh yes, so we'll go somewhere here. I'm gonna paste that one, paste, right there. So, and then, see, there's a change here, right? This is awesome. So here's one, look at this. Look how easy we can fix that. You see that hop? Look how nice that hop is. Look, before it hits, boom, and then down. We don't want that right now, right? We want it to stay down here. So we'll just select these two curves and we'll just flatten it out. Look at that. So now, look at what happened here, folks. Look at what happened. Let's play. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so that's cool. So what we want to do here at 13 is maybe do a squash, right? So let's select that, which is a scale, right? Boom. And then, what would we say before? Whatever number you guys want, just try it, okay? Just bring it down. Remember the volume. So if this is, let's say, 0.7, I'll do 1.3 here. 1.3. And then I'll do 1.3. Okay? And W. And we'll bring the W right over there. And then let's see it go. Okay, so let's see. So again, like this is only on one frame, and then it's going to take forever. It's going to take, well, it's not forever, but it's going to come all the way here to become 1 again. Let me just go to 25. You'll see by the time it hits here, it should be 1, right? Okay, let's bring that in here. Okay, so there. Okay, so look at this. We don't want any squash here. Look at that. So Maya is doing things for us, right? Okay, so you know that. So we also know that this one should have been solid, right? You guys remember that? So what we're going to do, what we said in class, 1 tab, not caps, buddy, tab 1 tab 1. So between here and here, I don't want any squash yet. I want to hold it. But anyway, that's kind of cool. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'm going to look in here, and I'm going to flatten that out. Look. Let's see, 11 is this. So like, why don't you just do this? Copy, paste. So no change, baby. No change. Paste. There you go. Then from here, quick squash. Yes. And somewhere 18, I think Mr. LeMay had said. Let's bring it back to 1. Solid, right? Wherever this is. 1, tab 1, tab 1. Cool. So let's bring this up a touch more. And let's see what we did here. So we're going to hold the squash for another frame, right? So let's go copy. Again, paste, paste, paste. Okay, and look at this, no change, no change. And between here and here, let's make this sharp. So break the tangents, select this point, make it diagonal. What's going on here? Come on, come on, you're good. Middle scroll, nice. Select, highlight, left click, middle scroll. Let's make that sharp. Boom, and then just up to here. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, not bad. Okay, so let's see what's going on here, my friends. Okay, so we want this to be on a curve like that. See? Don't go below the line, guys. Look at that. Look how important that is. Okay, I'm going to expand this so you guys can see this. F for frame. Do not do this. It's going to go wonky on you. So below the line, it takes into the negative direction. So you want to hold middle mouse. Okay, middle mouse. And think of a skier. You want your skis to be above the mountain. You don't want to pound into the snow because you're going to go flying over. So maybe that's a way we can remember. Who knows? Okay, something like that. So I'm trying to stay on the mountain like that. Sweet slope. Very nice. Okay, something like that. Let's see. And you know, you don't have to follow exactly the notes, but right now, since we're learning, do it as we see in the notes in accordance to the planning notes, and then just experiment afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to click out and let's see how this looks. Sweetness, yes. Okay, so we've got the squash and stretch, don't we, people? Okay, let's put this on, please. Come on, come on. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to zoom in here, like that, and we'll do a new play blast. Let's see where the top of this. Yes, perfect. Okay, so Command Shift S. Make sure this is good. Okay, number 6. Excellent. Save. Okay, so I'm going to right click, play blast, and then come down here, number 6. Okay, let's press apply. Okay, remember the loop. Command L, press. I'm happy with this. Okay, this is good. Hopefully this helps, okay, guys? I think it should. Please tell me you're going to watch this. Grade 9, 10, 11, 12, doesn't matter. You should always do at least a few ball bounces. The next exercise is going to be even better. We're going to jump up from here, hit a wall, come back. That's going to be even more fun. Okay, stop recording. See you. Balian out.